Hello everyone, I am Jessica and I welcome you to House Decor Designs. If you are a home lover and want to make your home stand out and look awesome, then look no further, just watch this video. Smart home dividers deliver exactly what you need, a free passage of light but clear boundaries between rooms. The best part of it all is that you have a wide array of room dividers to pick from that venture beyond just glass walls. From DIY room dividers to designer ones, these creative room dividers for the living room will force you to look at decorating your home in an entirely new light. Using the living room divider to add a wonderful display or even additional storage options is a great way to make the most of the available space in your small urban apartment or modest modern home. The idea here is to separate the living room from the kitchen or dining room next to it without disturbing the style of each of the rooms and allowing for an effortless transition between both spaces. A combination of closed units for the base and open shelves at the top is a practical choice that allows for the unobstructed flow of light and a visual connection between the living area and the rooms next to it. Room dividers instantly make something out of nothing, turning single-use rooms into double spaces with separation and privacy. They can even create the illusion that a room has more square footage. Some room dividers can be built with such substance and sturdiness that they serve nearly the same function as interior partition walls. For DIY room dividers, put your carpentry and drywall skills on the back burner. Instead, think along the lines of simple tools and easy-to-handle materials. For tools, staple guns, hot glue, hammers, and finish nails tend to be the norm. For materials, almost anything is fair game: rope, license plates, plastic pipe, chicken wire, repurposed IKEA doors, pallet wood, vinyl records, and metal. Or just about anything else you can dream up. If you want to watch this type of videos, then subscribe to this channel and you are set to explore the latest and amazing home decoration ideas for free. Just relax and watch this video completely to get inspired to make your dream come true. Thank you guys for trusting me, and watch till the end and stay tuned for more videos. And don't forget to subscribe to House Decor Designs channel.